Jinan Tip-Top Laser Technology Company Limited is an international supplier dedicated to industrial laser solution, is specialized in the R&D and marketing of fiber laser equipment, including laser cleaning and cutting and welding and marking machines. Stock or custom configurations are our specialty. Components for our machines are sourced from world-class suppliers and innovators in machine control. All machines passed the European CE authentication. Products are sold to USA, Canada, Australia, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, more than 180 customers from different industries, and supply OEM service for more than 30 manufacturers. All Laser Series machines are used in many metal industries, such as automobile manufacturing industry, sheet metal processing industry, advertising metal word industry, kitchenware industry, shipbuilding industry, construction machinery industry, crafts and arts businesses around the world. These include woodwork, metal and stonework, aluminum fabrication, boat building, shop fitting, mold making. Tip-Top Laser focused on the development and production of various types of laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, and laser cleaning machine with the advanced management, strong research strength, and steady globalization. Strategy Tip-Top Laser establish more perfect product sales and service system in China and around the world. Make the world's brand. In laser industry, our vision, become a cross-border e-commerce, top-level laser machinery service provider. Mission, to benefit 10,000 metal processors worldwide.